Hi guys, welcome to module 16 of Revit Architecture. In this module, we'll be talking about how to add detail views to our plan. So basically, for detail views, we generally use some section and see the components more clearly as we can't see the inner walls and inner details of the room. So we use this section. So I've drawn a section here. If we do that, then we can see this view here. If we go to realistic and then we can see this view here. So this is the realistic view. So this is the section, but like this is also not in we don't get a detailed view in this. So basically what we can do is that we can draw a detailed view separately. So for that we need to make a detailed view here. So to make a detailed view we need to one view here, and then we have an option of drafting view. So click on that, and then dialog pop up here. So I'll write detail view 1, and I'll the scale we can change it later also, so I'll keep it the same, and I'll click OK. Okay, so you can see a new plan has been created, yeah, new view has been created. So you can find that view here, drafting views DV001. So here we can do is that we can insert a CAD file here. You can insert the detailed CAD file with all the dimension, everything. We can link CAD file or just insert import CAD file like we used to do it. So we can do that, or else you can just draw the plan here, like some beams or columns which you have. So you can make that here and just do that. So you can see that if you go on annotate here. So if you go on here you can see modify. You can't see any drawing tools here. So for drawing anything you need to go on annotate here. You need to go on annotate here and then go to detail line option, and then you can find this line option now again. So now you can draw whatever you want. Can use different types of line options are here, so you can do that and then draw a line. I'll just create a beam for now. Yeah, so I have made a T section here. So this is a view. This is just a rough diagram, so this is not according to scale or any specific beam dimension. So it's just a rough diagram. So like if you want to go there, and then you just need to go on drafting view, so that you can just show some detailed view here. You can place the CAD file also. That will be better, like placing the CAD file with all the dimension there and then link it here. So you can do that.